In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter to a project. We'll walk through this step by step inside a task management app, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow down what you see so you can focus on the tasks that matter most. Even if you're new to this kind of tool, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a clear and simple way. First, start by opening your task management app and heading to the project where you want to add a filter. This might be a work project, a personal list, or any collection of tasks you've already created. Look at your project list on the side or in your main navigation. Then click on the project name to open it. You should now be seeing all the tasks that belong to this specific project, usually in a list or board layout. Once you're inside the project, look for the display option. This is typically found near the top of the project view, often in the toolbar or near the project title. The display option controls how your tasks are shown on the screen. Go ahead and click on display. When you do this, you'll see a small menu or panel appear, offering different ways to change how your tasks are organized and shown. Within this display menu, look for the filter section. This is where you can narrow down the tasks you see based on certain criteria, like due dates, labels, assignees, or priority levels, depending on what your app supports. Click on Filter to open those options. At this point, you can choose the filter settings that fit what you want to focus on. For example, you might filter to see only tasks due today, only high priority items, or only tasks assigned to you. As you adjust these options, the project view will update, so you're only seeing tasks that match your selected filter. Take a moment to experiment with different filter combinations to find what works best for your workflow. Remember, you can always go back to the display menu and clear or change the filters if you want to see everything again. And that's it. You've opened your project, accessed the display options, and navigated to filter so you can customize exactly what appears in your project view. This simple flow makes it much easier to stay organized and keep your attention on the most important tasks in your project.